Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIE Wisdom School. I am Rahla Ferdowsi, Assistant Teacher, Day Shift. Today we are going to discuss an assignment with the students of class 7. Our today's subject is physical education. This is our assignment number 1 and this is our lecture number 1 for our annual session. Here is my phone number. My dear students, you will follow the book Physical Education and Health of class 7 for your assignment, preparing assignment. And now let's see the assignment. See here, the subject of this assignment is physical education and health. The lesson number and this is our assignment number 1. This assignment has been taken from chapter 1, physical exercise and healthy life. The lesson number and topics of these lessons are given here in details. Then there is given the assignment or the assignment task. One day you observe that your neighbor jobber limps. Limps means that someone is walking who has walking problem. He can't walk smoothly. Okay, he is a good player. You ask him, jobber, what happens? Jobber answers, I got hurt while playing yesterday. You come to know from your book that excess of exercise harms a lot in a body. Now write a report on this topic within 200 words. Okay, then now let's see which instruction are given for your writing. That here it is asked that write your own experience. Here you have to follow this instruction. You have to write from your own experience, textbook related part, discussion with parents. Then see the assessment criteria, how the teachers will assess your writing. They are in excellent criteria. It is saying absolutely accurate and consistent content, information, theories, concept, formulas, etc. are textbook related. Making sentence, spelling and cleanliness will be profoundly found in writing. Then very good, content is correct and mostly consistent. Information number 2, information, theories, concept, formulas, etc. are mostly textbook related. Number 3, making sentence, spelling and cleanliness will be mostly found in writing. For good assessment, number 1, though the content is accurate, there is lacking of consistency. Number 2, information, theories, concept, formulas, etc. are partially relevant. Number 3, making sentence, spelling and cleanliness will be slightly found in writing. Then the assessment need to progress. Number 1, lack of accuracy and consistency in content. Number 2, irrelevant information, theories, concept, formulas, etc. 3, absence of making sentence, spelling and cleanliness in writing. So my dear students, I hope that after reading the assessment criteria, you could now understand that in which sections, in which things you should be more careful to get excellent in your assignment. Now we will discuss how you will write the assignment. In the cover page, first you must mention your name, role, section, everything. You don't forget to write the number, assignment number 1. And there is another thing on your cover page, that is topic. Many of you don't write the topic. Everything you have to write for your good assessment comments in the assignment. So for this assignment, you can write this topic, that bad effect of excessive physical exercise. Again I am repeating, bad effect of excessive physical exercise. Okay, now come to our main point. Here after reading the task or assigned task, we came to know that there is a player, his name is Jobber. One day you observed that your neighbor Jobber was limping. That means he can't walk properly. He has some problems in walking. He is a good player. There a good an information is given for you that he is a good player. So we know that for being a good player, a player has to practice a lot. Okay. Then you ask him, Jobber, what happens? When you saw that he is limping, you are asking him. Then Jobber answers, I got hurt while playing yesterday. He answered that he got hurt. Now you come to know from your textbook that excess of exercise harms a lot in a body. So you have to write a report on this topic within 200 words. My dear students, to focus on this topic, first you have to write, you have to give the introduction that why physical exercise is necessary for our health. We know that physical exercise is very important for our health because with the physical exercise we can keep our body fit. Our limbs, our parts of the body, our organs all works with the exercises. If we exercise regularly, in that case our body works very well, our organs also works very well, and they don't get any disturbance, they don't hampers. Okay, after writing this introduction, you will write, you can describe that what are the benefits of physical exercise. That after the physical exercise gives us a very good body, fit body, but excess of physical exercise is not good for us. Whenever we do something, anything in excessive way, in that case it hampers our body. There are some rules to be good, how we can practice good exercises. Like we have to follow the time, we have to maintain, we can't do the exercise in empty stomach or in full stomach. We have to fix a time for doing the physical exercises. Later, after this, we can't do excess exercises. It makes our body so tired, our limbs can't work at that time. Like this way, you will describe, you can describe within a para or more than a para. Okay, and you must be careful in your good handwriting and spelling and the consistency of the writing. Thank you. I hope that you will write and submit on the due time. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.